Halal versus Jhatka is the new debate presently and in the state of Maharashtra. That's the big news coming in. Remember that there is a Malhar certification that is being introduced, especially in Maharashtra. And this is with regard to the Jhatka meet. Here's what has happened. There's a Mahayuti split here. Remember, there's an alliance where there is the Shiv Sena, there's also the BJP. Deputy CM Ajit Pawar and BJP Minister Rane are not on the same page on one comment. Ajit Pawar is saying Rane's remark may hit law and order. Ajit Pawar saying Muslims are as patriotic as anyone else. They are with us, with the community, with the party, with the government of Maharashtra. Rane had said, you cannot force Hindus. You cannot force Hindus to eat the halal meat. Only anti-Hindus oppose the Malhar meat or the Jhatka meat also, that is also called. It's of course, the different ways in which the slaughter takes place. And usually it is from members of the Muslim community who use the halal meat, while others also opt for Jhatka, which is being given a Malhar certification. Maharashtra ruling allies now are in this fresh fight.
So Congress now they are raising all the taxes, petrol, diesel, milk, everything. They are collecting the money from the poor. They are giving the Congress party workers. Here, who is working for the government?
Latest fight that has emerged, which is with regard to Malhar certification. Could it be with regard to specifications that this is the Jhatka meat? Many have, remember, in the past few years been raising a certain demand that if they do not want to opt for halal meat, which is usually consumed by the members of the Muslim community, what about the Jhatka meat? That is as much a priority and a choice for other community members, especially Hindus and Sikhs, for example. And could there be now this certification that has become the new debate? Let's listen into more reactions.
कुठल्याही वक्तव्यामुळे कायदा सुव्यवस्था अडचणीत येणार नाही ह्याबद्दलची काळजी घेतली पाहिजे. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांनी त्यांच्याबरोबर जे काही लोक होते त्याच्यामध्ये मुस्लिम लोक देखील होते. दारुगोळा कोण सांभाळत होतं त्यांचा? देशाबद्दल अभिमान वाटणारा जो मुस्लिम घटक आहे तो सगळा तो देशप्रेमीच आहे ना, भारतप्रेमीच आहे, देशप्रेमीच आहे.
हिंदू समाज के लिए अपने हक का और स्वास्थ्य का एक अच्छा मटन का पर्याय लेके आए हैं. हलाल ही खाना चाहिए. ये जो कोई जोर जबरदस्ती सालों साल हो रही है, या तो हलाल खाओ या तो आप खाए, या तो दूसरा पर्याय नहीं, ऑप्शन नहीं, ये जो बार बार बोला जा रहा था उसको एक अच्छा पर्याय ऑप्शन लेके आए हैं. अभी हलाल खाना ये हिंदू धर्मों में लिखा नहीं है, ये इस्लाम धर्म में लिखा है. हिंदू समाज से जिसको एलर्जी है वो ही इस तरीके का आवाज उठा रहे हैं.
Today is Divyesh Singh joining me on the phone line on this. Tell us about how this Malhar certification has become such a huge controversy and debate within the Mahayuti itself, Divyesh.
The Malhar certification row has now caused a political stir in Maharashtra, and you can see that the Mahayuti alliance, Ajit Pawar-led NCP MLA Amol Mitkari also said that they do not support the announcement made by Fisheries Minister Nitesh Rane regarding the Malhar certification. There've been strong opposition from the opposition MLAs, opposition parties as well. The Sharad Pawar-led NCP leader Rohit Pawar said that if this is an official declaration, it was an official announcement, so the scheme should have been launched by the Chief Minister, but it has not been launched by the Chief Minister, wherein there are some MLAs from the Samajwadi Party who went on to say that Nitesh Rane has given people a choice, but they should make it clear whether this is a government decision to launch certification, launch the Malhar certification for Jhatka mutton, or like there's always a halal certification which is as per the Islamic laws meant for people from the Muslim community. Nitesh Rane went on to say that this is for the Hindu community and they can buy meat from Malhar certified mutton shops, which will be completely run by Hindus, and it will be adulteration free. That is what the malharcertification.com website also says, that there will be no contamination, there will be no incidence of pit in the meat, or there will be no adulteration in the meat, there will be no other meat mixed with the mutton. That is why
Malhar certification, is this perhaps something, if Maharashtra goes ahead with, will be followed with other states as well? If there is a halal certification, will there be a Malhar certification as well for the choice of people? All right, thank you very much for now.